Well, good morning, friends. I just wanted to come on here. Don't we always say that I just wanted to? But I did. I want to show you my skin. Now, I'm a crazy girl when it comes to great skincare. And I had found a great skincare, but here was the problem. It was getting too expensive for me. And I swore that I would never take that off my budget. But I decided to kind of shop around, and that's exactly what I did. So take a closer look at my skin. Now, many of you know that my skin was in pretty top tip shape. Okay, I've been taking care of it for a long time, and I've been doing medical grade skincare for probably the last 5 years. So, with that being said, I was looking for skincare that I could replace at a more affordable cost and yet keep the same results. Now, I had thought I had found one, and for me, it didn't work. Excuse me. But there were, for some of my customers, they loved it and they're still using it. So there is no shame on that. Use what you have found has worked for you. But if you're looking for a really good skincare, can I just say Korean? You might want to stay tuned because I've got something to show you that I am very impressed with. Now, I will also post my stills from just 1 week. 1 week of using this product. I made sure I did it the same time, the same day, in the same lighting, no artificial lighting, not like a ring light that I have like today because I'm up in my bedroom. You can see my bed's not made yet. So what I'm trying to say is I can see a difference. It may not be a huge difference. Again, my skin was in pretty good condition, but can you imagine if you are dealing with the dry, flaky, crepey looking skin, and you've tried everything from moisturizers to exfoliators and all sorts of things, and you're just not getting the results you want? I'm telling you, I think I have found something, but I'm not going to tell you what it is today, okay? So you're just going to have to come back. But take a closer look at my skin. Now, all I have is my serums on here. I have not yet put on my sunscreen, which does give it a little bit more glow, and there's no makeup. I actually now go out in public with no foundation. Stay tuned. I've got something exciting to show you.